Do you ever feel like you're putting so much effort into eating healthy, but you're still not seeing results? Well, hang around because I've got a simple solution for you. One thing a lot of people do when they're trying to lose some weight or change their body is to track their calories. And it's a very smart thing to do. When you track your calories, you become more aware of what you're putting into your body. You start to understand portion sizes and how many calories are in each food, helping you to make better food choices. But the biggest mistake people make when they're tracking their calories is they log their food after they've already eaten it. Doing it this way is like opening Google Maps after you've already arrived at your destination. Sure, it will tell you where you've been, but it won't help you make good decisions along the way. So here's the simple change. Log your food before you eat it. By logging your food up front, you're using your tracking app like a GPS, helping you navigate your way to your destination. Just like using Google Maps while you're driving can help you avoid getting lost and taking a longer route, tracking your calories before you eat them will help you make better choices and avoid overeating. There are plenty of apps out there to help make it easy for you to track your calories. Most will allow you to scan barcodes on packaging, search for foods, and even create recipes for meals that you eat frequently. My preferred calorie tracking app is MyFitnessPal because it has a huge food database and it's really easy to use. Remember this though, logging your food alone isn't going to help you if you're not eating the right amount of calories. Once you get that right, you will start to see some progress. So if you're ready to take control of your diet and start seeing some results, try tracking your calories before you eat them. That one change is probably going to be the simplest thing you do to see some progress.